Hello friends, this video on visualizing shapes part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now on similar lines, let's talk about convex and concave polyhedrons. So before we talk about convex and concave polyhedrons, let's quickly do a recap of convex and concave polygons. So when it comes to a convex polygon, it is that polygon where all the interior angles are less than 180 degrees. For example, a triangle. This is a convex polygon because doesn't matter whichever type of triangle it is, whether it is a right angle triangle or an obtuse triangle or an acute triangle. In any type of triangle, all interior angles would be less than 180 degree. So think of a pentagon. So in case of a pentagon also, even if it is a regular pentagon where all the sides are equal, so in that case also each angle is equal to 72 degrees. So anyways, even if it is not a regular pentagon, the angle would be less than 180 degrees. So each of these examples, like a square, a rectangle, a right angle triangle, a parallelogram, these are all examples of convex polygon. On the other hand, when we talk about a concave polygon, here at least one interior angle must be greater than 180 degrees. So only one, because anyways it is not possible that more than one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. So that is it is not possible that all angles are greater than 180 degree. So that is quite not possible. So the condition is at least one angle should be greater than 180 degrees. So when you look at this, what do you see? Here you see these angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these 4 interior angles are greater than 180 degree. Whereas these 4 interior angles, they are less than 180 degree. Similarly, when you look at this figure, this is less than 180. This is also less than 180. But when you look at this, this is more than 180 degree. Here this angle is more than 180 degree. Here this angle is more than 180 degree. Here these angles are greater than 180 degree, and that is why these are all examples of concave polygon. So based on this, how do we define convex and concave polyhedrons? So when it comes to a convex polyhedron or a concave polyhedron, they are made up of convex and concave polygons respectively. For example, here a cuboid. A cuboid is made up of polygons which are rectangles. So rectangles are convex polygons. So therefore, the cuboid is a convex polyhedron. Similarly, when you think of a triangular pyramid, so the triangular pyramid is made up of triangles. So triangles are convex polygon, therefore the triangular pyramid is a convex polyhedron. Now what happens to concave polyhedron? For example, the star. The star was a concave polygon, right? So a polyhedron where each surface, at least one of the surface is a star, that is going to be a concave polyhedron. Similarly, you look at this letter I. So here if you see, this is greater than 180 degrees. So which shows that this face is a concave polygon. So therefore, this polyhedron would also be a concave polyhedron. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.